Look what came in the mail. This is the March 2018 Knit Crate, and this is the members only bag. So I'm going to open it. Hasn't been opened so far, so here we go. Got my scissors, and last month Karen said she saw me with the scissors and was afraid I was going to cut myself. No worries. I have no sharp objects in my house. I'm not allowed to get near them because it would hurt myself. So here we go. Make sure the yarn's at the bottom here, because that would be bad if I cut the yarn in half. All right, I'm going to stick my hands down. Ooh, the yarn feels squishy, but let's pull out everything else first. First we have, it is called Sugar Sugar. This is the Knit Crate for this month. Sugar Sugar. What is inside? Uru yarn, Peachy Queen, or Blueberry, or Lavender, or Periwinkle. So it sounds like a lot of spring colors. It's called Sugared Sock Yarn. It is 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 10% stellina. Oh, that means it's going to have sparklies in it. So let's take a look at the, let's see, what's it say here? Sugar Sugar, light like marzipan and fresh French macarons. These fruity candy colored tones are just what we need coming out of the cold weather and headed into spring. This is going to be fun. Let's see what the patterns are. There is, the knit designer is Chelsea Burkompus, and this is called Bloom, and I really do like this. Look at that with the texture, the light lace work at the bottom. There it is, Chelsea Burkompus. And the crochet is a pair of socks, which is funny since on my regular weekly channel I was talking about crocheting socks. So here is the crocheted socks. Are those really pretty with the lacing edge? And this is by Brenda Anderson, and the pattern is called Nectarine. Now Knit Crate does give you a coupon for these patterns. It gives you a coupon code, so when you go onto the Knit Crate website, you can actually download what would be a paid pattern. You get it for free. Okay, let's see what color I got. Oh, you know me in purple. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. It's purple with you can see the sparkles in it, but then it's got purple flecks in it as well. See if I can get it close enough so you can see some of, there you go, some of the purple flecks. This is Uru yarn, and this is called, oh, it's lavender, not lavender, lavender. And here it is right there. And I already read what the contents are, but it's so soft. There's 399 yards, and you do get 2 skeins. So, oh, this is beautiful. I really like this, and it is extremely soft. Very, very soft. Yeah, it's got little silver sparkles, and like I said, the speckles in it are almost a navy blue. See if I can hold this apart. There, you can really see some of the speckles. So really, really pretty. So I think I might be making this pattern because I do really like that, and it looks like it's a long enough one to wrap around your neck or hang as a like a wrap around your shoulders. So yeah, this is gorgeous. I am really happy with this month's Knit Crate, and yeah, snuggles. It is really soft. So if you have not been watching my regular channel, Katrina's Creations, please do so. We started this past Saturday, March 10th, with a yarn giveaway, and that will be continuing every week until April 5th, when I will announce the winner on the April 7th podcast. So go over there and check it out so that you can get entered for some possible free yarn if you are the winner. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you on Saturday.